check, 3:38.
Supposedly, mga 10 tayo dapat alas no. 11. Daming.
Hey, Jack!
At second place is athlete.
Hi! Kapo eh. Pag naka-prep kasi huwag na mag-drive. Welcome to our home. And then 2 double beds kasi para hindi mo istorbo si Mister. There you go! Yay! Yeah. Check natin yung toilet. Yun yung gamit natin.
Carpet time. Chicken breast. Ito yung bangga rin yung salt ko.
Sama ka ba?
Siyempre! Hindi ka ba nagpaiwan?
Time check, 11 o'clock na. Nakatapos lang namin mag-shave. Supposedly dapat kahapon din to. Daming tinamaan dahil sa virus. Grabe yung tumama sa akin hanggang ngayon. I think 14 poops na. Simula 10 o'clock kagabi. Thank you nga pala Coach Wins. Dala niyo tayo ng gamot. Kasi kailangan ng reseta para makabili. Makabawi pa tayo bukas. Dapa na yung kondisyon natin.
Ingat ka, Daddy. Love you. See you later. Okay. Love you. Ingat ka. Love you. Ingat ka, ha?
Taning na ako.
Kumain ka na, Dad?
For athlete 49. Please proceed to the backstage area.
Di ka kain ng kilala.
Time. We started.
Umitim ka daw. Siya din, sasali, de.
Privileged athletes, please welcome on stage.
Ano yan, idol?
and give us your monster back poses.
It's okay, it's okay. No, it's not, it's not. It's for daddy. It's for daddy lang. It's okay, it's okay. It's for daddy. Biga, love! Ay, no, no. It's for daddy. Sorry, 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 sorry. Sorry, 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 sorry. It's for daddy. No, no, no. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Athletes, face the front.
Okay, okay. It's okay. No, it's for daddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, love. I won't touch that.
In the segment number 4,
Abs, love. Abs.
in the segment.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's for daddy. It's for daddy. For daddy. It's for daddy. Nice. It's okay. It's for daddy. It's for daddy.
Athletes,
Sorry,
face
sorry.
the back and give us your monster back poses.
For daddy. It's for daddy.
Athletes, face the front and give us your best front pose.
For daddy. For daddy. It's for daddy. No, no, sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up one more time for your men's physique novice team. Thank you very much, athletes. All right.
Bumalik muna kami sa sakyan. Tapos na yung isang kategory ko, kategory novice D.
Good job, daddy. Partida, nag-LBM pa yun. Ilang beses ka nag-book?
15 na labas. Kasama yung last na yung kanilang morning. Dito, inabot pa ako. Hindi pa ako abutin sa sasakyan.
Sabi ko,
Kaya akala ko di na ako makakasampa. Kasi yan na ako kasi kung ano man yung placing, nabit ko yung last year na condition ko, no? Nabit ko na, no?
mas maganda
Mas maganda naman. Mas may isa-isa ko ngayon compare last year. Although yung timbang, hindi naman nagkakalayo. Kasi nag-drop talaga yung timbang ko. Almost 5 kilos. So parang baliwala yung front load. Carb up namin. Anyway, pahinga lang kami saglit at may isa pa ang category, Open D. Sa mundo ng mga halimaw. Grabe yung kalaban ko sa novice D. Parang si Gulayat. Laki. Bye-bye. Miyano na ulit.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. These are your classic physique athletes. Please welcome back on stage the first batch of comparisons.
Buti na lang talaga. Buhay kami dahil sa... Sisilip pa. Talaga naman ng batik to. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I love you! Peekaboo! I love you! No, not this one. Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo!
Next up is athlete 91, Kate Argones.
Peekaboo!
Ay, TV!
Ay, iyak na yun. Iyak. Go, Labs!
Sir Mark, stay on the stage. The rest of the athletes, please come back for the comparison round.
Go, Lab! For you. So, hindi na ako It's okay, love. It's okay. It's not for you. We're cheating, buddy, oh. Look at that, this box.
Athletes, face the front.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Feeling niya siya pinapadali ko. Nice. Nice. Ganda. Nice. It's okay, it's okay. No, no, no. It's okay. It's okay, love. It's okay, it's okay. Good job. We're here for daddy. We're here for daddy. It's okay. We're just here for daddy. Great job, daddy. Jameson. I love you. Jameson. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
So they now step off the stage.
Cheer, umiiyak. Tignan mo yan. Feeling niya sinisigawan siya.
Sorry.
Nag-cheer ako once. Tapos umiyak na siya. Wala. Rinig na rinig sa audio. Ayan. Galing.
27 card, Kurt Angelo Aragon. At second place is athlete 108, Mark James Mercado.
Great job. Congrats. Nice.
Athlete 11, Christian Irvin Rosales.
Congrats.
Mark James Mercado.
Good job.
At second place is athlete 33, Rodney Gonzalez.
Good job, Daddy.
Athletes, front pose.
Congrats! Open! Kuha lahat ah! Galing ah!
All the athletes, listen up. Take one step back so you can get some. At a 30-degree and 109, please switch. 30-degree and 109. Raise your hands, guys. Raise your hands. Yan, pinatanda kayo. Sila, guys. Come here.
Nalo. Nalo.
Asan medal mo?
Bumitaw tayo.
Thank you! Congrats, Daddy! You say congrats, Daddy! Congrats, Daddy! Your time na? Congrats, Daddy! Lucky turn ka. Uy!